back at it today. I literally spent 5 hours yesterday to get that floor to come down a half an inch. 1 inch to go. There's 1 inch before this thing will be where we need it. And for the life of me right now, I can't figure out where it is. The only thing left I can figure it is right there in that little corner on both sides. It's the only place I can figure that is holding it. It's not the floors. I actually cut them out quite a bit further than what we needed, so that way I was tired of messing with them. But yeah, that's it. I don't know. Unless it's still the heat box again up in here. But I stuck my hand up in there. I can't feel it touching, so I don't think it's there. I still think it's the corners of the cab. Corners of the dash on the cab, you know. In fact, if you look right there, you can see that dashboard being pulled in. So that's what it is. It's still got to be cut on the sides. So back off again for, let's see here. I'm going to say at least 300 times now. I've pulled this thing off like 8 to 10 times a day. Cut, 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 back on, back off, cut, 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 on, off, cut, cut, cut. But we're almost there. We're so close. I'm ready for it to be on, so that way we can move on. The back is sitting about where it's going to sit. And I measured it yesterday. 17 inches off the ground. So, if we can get it low enough, which I think we can, first thing is axle flip. These are on the lower side, so all we gotta do is put them on the top side. Axle flip. That's an automatic 4 to 6 inch right there, which I believe it's closer to 6 on here. So we may have to put a C-notch in. Don't know. Why is my camera like that? It's just blurred from the light, I guess, or it's dirty. But automatic 6 inch right there. Up front. Yep. I think we're going to need some drop spindles and some springs. Where's that spindle at? That spindle's way down. That will actually, that'll help something else too, because if it moves the center point of the spindle up, that'll make the rim come over top the ball joint, which means we can then tuck the rims in that are sticking out just a smidge inward. Wow, big time fix right there for that. The back, we just have to get it offset. It's just going to have to be offset in. Yeah, these are pretty wide too. But we would like to get wider back here. So if we get an offset that goes in at just like a half inch, we'd be perfect. A half inch in offset and then a wider tire. Golden. But we're going to get back at it here. Hold on a second. Yeah, there we go. That lens was dirty. Okay, but yeah. We are ready to hammer down again today. I swear to you, if I don't have this thing down today, I'm taking the rest of the week off, because I'm going to friggin' just hawk out, flip the body off of this thing. It's getting annoying. Well, it has been exactly a week and 4 days. That's 5 business days and 4 days. And it is now in. And I have everything level. And if everything goes right, tomorrow I can start welding the floor in. That's right. It worked. Now, with everything custom, there is some give and take. Well, one of the takes is how these hood hinges are. Here's where the hood hinges bolt up. And there's actually, the hood actually sits down like here. So this and right here is just going to have to be box shaped. There's no way around it. That's all there is. There's going to be a ledge there. However, this is going to get cut. This is for the wires. It'll probably get moved down and over, so that way we'll be able to put the actual sealed boot back in the hole. The rest of it's butter. It's easy. Everything can be cut, moved, shaped. It don't matter. But here it has to be cut out of the way down here. But I'm actually going to cut here. I'm going to cut all this off right here, make it flat. Cut all this off, and then it'll be able to go back somewhat and weld up to there. Gap here too. That's probably going to get pushed in and welded. So it's working. Give and take again, but hey, it's like one of a kind now. Well, it is one of a kind because there ain't been another one that I can find. You can see, let's see here, I'll shut this door for you. You can see what we're at right now. The stance. The truck is level right now. The actual cab. It don't look level on there, maybe it's just me. Well, anyway, it's level. Every way, shape, form, we've checked it. You have to remember there is going to be weight on the front more and weight on the rear more, so it's going to come down. But right now it's sitting at 16 inches. That's from here to here. Hopefully we're going to do an axle flip that's 6 inches, and if we have to, 6 inches up front to bring it down level. That will put us roughly 10, maybe 9 inches off the ground from the bottom of the cab, and another 2 inches down on the frame. So it's working. After I get the cab all welded together, the hard part then becomes putting the front end on and putting all the plastic back inside. As far as fitting stuff under the hood, that'll be breezy. I definitely want to relocate the battery though under the bed. And let's see here, anything else that we have to relocate? Well, I know these fenders come in deep here, but since we already cut all the brackets off to them, we can, shape them, cut them out here, whatever. Those aren't no big deal. Those are inner fenders. Who cares about inner fenders, man? But it's coming. It's finally coming. Well, it's Friday, and the cab is on. Well, it's sitting on, but it's not welded completely. Ran out of welding wire. I got another roll in the bottom of the cart. You can see it there. Switch it out Monday, but you can see I've already started welding all that. What it is, we had to raise the back so it's up about 3/4 to an inch. And the reason we did that is because the cab, when it sat level, didn't look right. It looked like it was leaning back. So we did that to make it look like it's sitting right. Got almost this whole side done. I gotta do here, up there. I have to do the whole side over there. It's hot. And I am done for tonight. But it is now on there. This side is actually hitting the dash still right here. You can see. So we'll have to grind and notch that back and get it to where the door will shut without any pressure, because right now, right there, it has pressure on it. can slam it and it'll stay shut, but it's not how we like to do things. The other side's perfect. It's mint. But yeah, we did get the dash in. It's in pieces right now, but long way to go.